This is a voiceless consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word choke, in the middle of the word teacher, at the end of the word match, and at the beginning and end of the word church. Did you notice the shape of my mouth? Look. Church. Church. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Choke. Teacher. Match. Church. Okay. You may find it difficult to hear the difference between the voiceless sound that you hear at the beginning of the word choke and the voiced sound that you hear at the beginning of the word joke. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I'll say the word with the voiceless sound first. Choke, joke, chunk, junk, rich, ridge, lunch, lunge. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Choke, joke, chunk, junk, lunch, lunge, rich, ridge. Okay.